I've been incorporating the Medicube PDRN pink peptide serum into my skincare routine, and it's been a game changer so far. The serum has a lightweight, silky texture that absorbs quickly, leaving my skin soft, hydrated, and with a subtle glow. I love the delicate pink color, which comes from vitamin B12, known for its skin-brightening properties, and the scent is lovely without being overwhelming. The combination of rose PDRN and 5 types of peptides helps restore the skin barrier and boosts collagen production, which I've noticed in how smooth and resilient my skin feels. It also contains hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, niacinamide for brightening, and coenzyme Q10 for an extra collagen boost. Holy basil leaf extract adds a calming effect, perfect for soothing irritated skin. What I appreciate most is how quickly it absorbs without any stickiness, making it ideal for layering with other products. My skin looks and feels healthier, and I can't wait to see the long-term benefits. If you're after radiant, even-toned skin, this is definitely worth trying.